Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna do something like this lah. You see the tiles pattern or next one. Okay. So simple. You use tile function lah. Click on the wall already. Then you now gonna create this tiles this pattern. Okay. Chevron pattern. Okay. Simple. You just drag one tile first. Okay. Drag one tile. Then you change the size. Okay. Click on this one. Change the size. This one change to 140, this one change to 240. Okay, according your tile size lah. Okay, this one what my according. Then we're gonna cut the tiles. Simple as that. Cut the tiles using cut tiles function. Click on here. Okay, we cut here first. Start with. Then you click on customize. We're gonna use this function to cut. Okay, so we cut the tile. Okay, zoom in first. Okay, I'm gonna cut the tile like something like 120. So you see the 120 here, and this one 70. Okay, something wrong. Never mind. 70. No. Here, this one unlock first. Remember unlock. Okay, 120, then 70. Correct. So you see something like this. So we cut here, here, and here. Same thing, click on this one, click this one. Okay, this one we put 70. I see 70, right? Okay, so here we're gonna put 120. So something like this. Follow here, do the same thing. Okay, do the same thing. 120, and here 70. Okay. And here this one also same 70 and 120. Okay, we're gonna have the shape lah. Okay, after that we just copy it lah. So we copy and paste it 1 and paste it 2. Okay, now we're gonna rotate it lah. Click on it, angle here, put 30. Okay, and this one, click on it, right click, and angle here, put minus 30. Okay, then merge them. This one, put 270. Okay, so see the rectangle now. Okay, then start building on it lah. So just 1, 2, 3, then move it first. We move it first. Put at the bottom here. Okay, then right click, copy. So I'm gonna paste it. Paste the tiles. And so we continue. Right click, paste tile. Just paste the tiles as simple as that. Continue, paste tile. Simple as that. Here. Okay, so we continues all lah. Okay, a few moments later, so the design is complete now. One thing you have to do after you paste everything, right? Please save it. In case just save it first. Okay, complete. Save. Control S. Save it first. Okay, video. Save. Okay, then continue, go back. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. This one, you can see here, here, the length. Okay, so okay, draw polyline or use polyline to draw. Okay, follow the pattern, draw only. Okay, follow the pattern like this one. Follow the pattern. Okay, complete, right click. Okay, right click, exit. Then click on this line. Remember, transfer it as a region to area. Okay, become an area. Then you just drag this one, drag this one, drag to here. So you change the size. Change the size. I'll make it 300 and 100 lah, so it looks similar to the picture lor. Simple as that. This one adjust a bit lah, position it a bit. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see here. Okay, we're almost there. Now we change some colors only lah. Change some colors. Simple. So you can click on the tiles, click single, then change the color, the material, the tiles you want. Then change what color. Okay. This one. Change again. Maybe also what color? Oh no. Okay. Do not cancel first. Okay. Remember, must click single okay. Do not change all if not later all your tiles will become same material. Okay. So I'll change another color. Maybe this one. Yeah. Remember single okay. Remember single this one single. Choose color. Medium size. Okay. So you will have a different kind of tiles mix match together lah but you must know how to mix match lah or else will be really ugly. Okay. Okay so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.